Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is about talking about one of the best prop firm in the industry of prop firm trading Forex. You see, in nowadays, it is difficult to make a living Forex trading your own money, especially when you are depending on trading Forex for a living. However, in this video, I want to talk about and unveil to you about the potential that you have using a proprietary trading firm. In this case, my specific trading proprietary firm is my Trueforex fund, one of the best proprietary firms out there, among the best. So here I want to talk about this prop firm called Trueforex Fund, and also what I have discovered is why it stands out also among the best proprietary trading firm. So this is my Trueforex Fund. I'm going to leave a link below so that you can follow in order for you to register and also get yourself an account based on what you want. So this proprietary trading firm stand out because number one, it is also it has wonderful and amazing review on trust score, which is Trustpilot of 4.7, or with 2,404 reviews. Okay, in the all-time payout. All right, this is amazing. In payout in 2023, that is a huge, guys. All right, so what makes it stand out? So they do not have minimum trading days, so meaning the moment you get an account, you reach their target. If you take phase 1 or phase 2, you pass immediately, they're going to give you a new account. Unlimited trading days option, so they don't put a limit on how many days you're supposed to trade. They have spread starting from 0.0 pips, which is amazing. A leverage of 1 to 100. All right. So a profit split target is they have 8% and 5% profit target. All right. So this is where, for instance, if you get phase 2 and then you get a 100K account. All right. So instead of you reaching 10%, you're just going to have to reach 8%, where you have to make $8,000, and then you're going to get to phase 2. Phase 2, you're supposed to make 5% of the initial balance of 100K, which is 5,000, and then you are fully funded. So they have two types of account. They have two-phase evaluation, where phase 1, you're supposed to reach a certain percent of 8%. Phase 2, you're supposed to make 5% target. And they have a single phase or phase 1 evaluation. All right. So phase 1, as you can see, welcome to your funded journey. In this phase 1, you must meet our simple and easy trading objective to progress onto phase 2. So this is phase 2. All right. So phase 2, you're supposed to make 5%. And then after you pass phase 2, you reach a funded. Now, my interest, an amazing package that I'm so much interested is this one, a single phase evaluation. All right. So with this challenge, you can join our funded traders already benefiting from Trueforex Fund after just one phase. Meet our simple and achievable trading objective and pass the challenge. So for this one, once you reach a certain target, you're going to get now a funded account. All right, where now you be part of the funded community. All right, you will be able to receive 8% profit target split, and then get rewarded for your continuous success by scaling up to $2.5 million. Now, for this phase 1 account, here is what makes it stand out. Let me show you something. All right, so for phase 1, we are going to look at this phase 1 account. So for phase 1, the trading period is 30 days. All right. This is your target. All right. As you are in this phase 1 evaluation. All right. So for phase 1, there is no phase 2, just phase 1. So minimum of trading period of 30 days. minimum trading days is 5 days. All right. So on this one, they have put a minimum trading days. So even if you pass today, your account should reach at least 5 days, which in my case, if I take this account today and then I pass today, I'll have 4 days to go. So in these 4 days, I'll just have to be opening 0.01 micro in order for it to be marked as a trading day, as long as you open a position. Max daily loss. So this is what it becomes more interesting. So let's say you get a 50K account, right? A 50K account, the maximum or daily loss that you're allowed, daily drawdown, is 3%, which is $1,500. Okay. So if you're good at risk management and you also just want to target on getting a phase 1, this account is for you, especially for those with good risk and disciplined mindset as a trader, because trading isn't just about reaching target profit. It is about being disciplined. It is about having patience. It is also about having a mindset where you don't want to become a midnight and overnight millionaire. You have to go through the process. So as you are doing this, it is a process. As you are going through the process, you're also becoming the person that you're supposed to be. So max daily drawdown is 3%, and 3% for $50,000 is $1,500. Max overall daily loss, all right? So the maximum is 6%, which is $3,000, okay? Now, the profit target for this one is 10%, and 10% for $50,000 is $5,000, all right, dollars. That means you have reached your 10%, all right? Profit split is 80%, 20% goes to the prop firm, all right? So that is when you get funded here, all right? So the same rules applies. Daily loss in phase 1 and also in the funded account is the same. And the profit split is 80% for yours, 20% for the prop firm. Now the fee is $299, which if you go through my link, you're going to get a discount of 10%, all right? 10% discount. If you go through my link, you are going to get that discount. So guys, this is one of, when it comes to this type account types, so you can go for 2-phase. So 2-phase, it has no time limit. Phase 1, minimum trading days 0, and phase 2, 0, all right? So max daily loss is 5%, which is 2,500, all right? And then max overall loss is 10%, which is 5,000. So what means if you get a $100,000 account, your daily loss is 5,000, and then maximum is 10,000. Yet profit target is 8%. All right, this is amazing. And then the fee that you're supposed to pay, which is refundable upon you completing, they are going to pay you back this money as soon as you get funded on your first payout, all right, which is 499 euros. So which means that you can either choose to go for phase 2, 2-phase account, or single phase account. Now, what do I love the most about this platform? Number one, they do allow trading news. All right, you can trade news. They are very much flexible. Right, they do not have those complicated rules which can end up making you to lose the account. Right, you are able to trade news. They do not tell you how much lot size you're supposed to put or the maximum. It is all up to you. All right, that they do not have to impose on you how much you're supposed to put on as a lot size. The other thing is their payment. All right, biweekly payment. All right, so if you get funded, all right, if you get funded, their payouts are weekly. All right, they will pay out on a weekly, every after 2 weeks. All right, every after 2 weeks they'll be able to pay you. All right, every after 14 days they'll be able to pay you without even a shred of having to make you go through the difficulties. So I'm going to leave a link below so that you can be able to go through and also get a 10% discount. This prop firm is really amazing because not only do they put complicated standards and terms and conditions, they are very much flexible. That means they don't have to impose so much limit on your account, because there are other prop firms that take advantage and just want to make people lose their hard-earned money. But for this one, I love it. So the only minimum trading days where it is on the single phase account. But as for phase 2, there are no minimum trading days. So once you pass phase 1, they'll give you phase 2. Once you pass phase 2, they'll give you a funded account, which means you don't have to struggle. So I highly recommend that you guys get to go through this prop firm because it is really amazing. They do not bother when it comes to pay out immediately. Your time to get paid, you initiate a withdrawal, they'll release your funds. Especially if you're using crypto side as USDT, funds will reach you within the specific day that you have initiated your payout. Unless if you use like bank transfer, if you use a method where you have to go through other means of receiving payouts, it takes maybe 2 days for it to reach your account. But for cryptocurrency, you will definitely receive your payout. So this prop firm is one of the best. So if you hold your trades over the weekend, so for those who love to hold trades over the weekend, this is for you. Trade crypto over the weekend. News trading is allowed. All right. Expert advisors, EA trading is allowed. Multiple platform, MT4 and MT5. Some only have MT4 without MT5. Swap free accounts. So, all right, it's available. Capital is scalable up to 2.5 million. Unlimited free retrays, all right, for evaluation. No consistent rules, all right. No maximum lot rule, or no stop loss is required. So other prop firm, they will tell you, okay, you're supposed to put a stop loss, but for this one, it doesn't put that on you. All right. So this is it, guys. If you want and you're interested about this prop firm and you want to maximize your potential instead of trading a smaller capital, you can definitely take advantage of this prop firm, guys. And I can guarantee you that you're not going to be wrong about this. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in another video.